In this lesson, we're going to learn about the dynamic mirror command. First, I'll create a center line. Now I'm going to activate the dynamic mirror command by pressing on the command in the Sketch toolbar. Let's select our center line, and we see our symmetry symbols right here. Let's start drawing with the line tool. As you can see, when I release the mouse, a symmetrical line appeared on the right side of the center line. Now let's create an arc. Okay, let's close this sketch, and we will now define it. As you can see, the right side of the drawing automatically became defined as well. Let's hide the sketch relations. Select View and Sketch Relations to do this. Modify this to 50. And now our sketch is fully defined. Let's change a dimension. Let me change this dimension to 100 millimeters. As you saw, the corresponding dimension on the right side followed automatically. Click OK, and this concludes our review of sketching with the Dynamic Mirror tool.